Hey everyone, hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. Today on this video I wanted to share with you how you can start making money even if you don't have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers on your channel, right? So this is a method that you can actually start doing from day one and start to generate that additional stream of income using your YouTube automation channels, right? So the channel and the whole process which I'll be sharing with you is you can start to implement these same structures and same way for you to start to generate that additional stream of income, right? So the channel that I wanted to start off with is a make money niche, right? Because if you want to be making money, I know there's like a lot of people out there who actually want to make money as well, right? So this is the channel that I wanted to share with you, and literally this channel is just creating videos about different ways you can actually make money, right? So you can actually create a channels like this, and it's going to be like a screen capture videos that you're gonna do, right? Just like the one I'm doing now, but on this video they're doing like a little bit different way, right? They have like an animation character which you can actually design using the software called Midjourney, right, where you can get characters, and they're also mixing like picture clips as well. So it's like really AI generated videos that they're actually posting out there, right? So and this channel is getting good amount of traction for how many subscribers and how many videos they have actually got, right? And this channel, they didn't start that long ago, right? So you can see how they're actually doing it. But if your channel is not monetized, you can still do the way that I'm going to be sharing with you, right? So make sure you stay all the way till the end of the video, right? So what you're gonna do is just create a YouTube channel, and you can just create a banner and a logo, right? And you can pretty much do everything on your own. You can go to the website called Pixabay. There's like a lot of photos and banners that you can actually take from there, and then you're gonna use Canva to actually design all that, right? And pretty much just create a channel, make sure it's like looking professional, and make sure there's gonna be a logo, right? And then you're gonna start creating videos, right? So the video you want to be creating is going to be a make money online videos, right? So you're gonna do like a review and tutorial kind of videos of like different ways to start different kind of online business, right? So for example, you can do how you can actually start YouTube automation business, right? So the way I actually gonna do that is I'm gonna go to website as ChatGPT, right? I'm gonna go to the website, and I'm gonna just start to get like ideas, like, and the good thing about this is like all AI generated, right? So you pretty much you don't even need to do a script or anything like that, right? You can basically get AI to do the entire thing for you, right? So it's script wise, I mean, right? So you're gonna click on Chat GPT once you have actually signed up, right? And in here you can say can you write script on how to start YouTube automation business or channel. Okay, so in here it will actually just break everything down, so that way you can just have a clear idea of like what to actually talk about on your video, right? And it's just gonna, you can also tell it like how you can actually want to design your script. So you can do like storytelling style, you can do like a step-by-step tutorial kind of style, right? So in here ChatGPT will actually give you a lot of ideas, right? And here once you have got that, then you're gonna go and create a videos, right? So you're just gonna share your screen and just share like a tutorial style, right? And on every single video you're gonna do call to action, right? So the call to action will be to actually go to your link in the description section, and then from there you're gonna say that's my best way to be earning income from online, right? And the links you can actually get from places like ClickBank, right? There's like a lot of products in there, and then you can just promote those products inside your description area, right? So there's going to be like a different niche, but the one that I'll actually go with is the one that is like business opportunities, make money online. Because if you create a channel on make money online, you want to be doing make money online things right in there, and then that way you can actually direct people onto ClickBank, right? So you can actually go to, like, the one I actually love is like business, e-business and e-marketing, right? So I'll just choose from all of it, and the one that I want to choose is like high gravity. So that way it's like really great to promote, and you're gonna get like good commissions from that. And what actually gravity means how much it's selling. So you want to go with the high gravity one, so that way you can actually know that offers will actually convert the best, right? So in here I can see like 52.52, which is like really good, and the conversion is like 200 plus plus the recurring bill. So every month you will get that ongoing recurring commission, which I really love, right? So that way you can actually start to earn that recurring commission, and once you start to get like good amount of audience on your channel, that way you can just increase this amount, will increase over time, right? So all you do is just start to create that tutorial style of video, how to make different make money online business. You can start from home, and the script, everything you can just get from ChatGPT. Offers to promote is you can actually get from ClickBank, but make sure it's like for example, this is the best one, easiest system ever done for you affiliate marketing system, right? So this, the gravity score is like 50, and a recurring bill, right? So if someone actually joins the system, you actually earn that ongoing recurring payment, like 24.76, right? Which is just awesome, right? So you can just promote these offers on. So even if you stop your channel and the client is still with you and still using that system, you will still be earning this recurring income, like, which I really love, right? So this is the best place to get like all your affiliate thing, or you can also do like private networks, like for example a person that you actually know and you would like to promote their offers. You can actually go to YouTube, and there's like a lot of people who are actually doing affiliate marketing. They have their own products and they have their own students, and you can actually see how it's actually going, and that way you can actually see that that person is also doing affiliate marketing and they're also earning great income from that, right? So but the one that I actually promote is called the Home Business Academy, because like I said, this is recurring and it works really well, and this converts really well because person can start for literally $1, and that way it will be recurring, right? So $1 you can actually turn to a lot of money, right? So this is the one that I actually promote, and I really love this system because it actually trains you how you can actually design your own funnel, and also how you can actually send people into your funnel so they can actually go ahead and buy it, right? But traffic and everything is, there's no shortage of traffics out there. We have YouTube, we have Instagram, we have Facebook, we have TikTok, and literally if you even don't have time to create content, you can also do paid method. But the method that I'm going to be sharing with you now, and the method I shared with you already, this works really well, and there's like a lot of people earning like 7-figure, they have like a 7-8 figure business just by using YouTube, right? And the traffic is so massive on YouTube, and even though you're gonna get like maybe 100, 200 or even 1,000 views on your video, even with the 1,000 views, even one person actually goes ahead and buy whatever I actually recommending to them on in the description section below, right, you're gonna be making that ongoing recurring income, right? And that's the reason I like to promote that recurring income business models, right? So that way I can start to earn that ongoing payment, right? So this is the best way for anyone, any beginner, to start making money from your YouTube channels, and you don't need to show your face. All you do is just do a screen share. And if you also don't want to record yourself, you can actually go to Fiverr and find people who actually do screen recording, screen capture videos, right? And you can just pay them for very little money, right? Probably one video you pay them like $10-15, so that way they can create the videos for you, and you can just upload on your channel. And on every video, make sure they give a ton of value in the front end, and also in the back. When they actually go ahead and stop the video, they can just do a simple call to action, say if you love this video, and if you want to know my #1 way to be earning income from your home and also in the online space, you can just click in the description section to see, check it out for yourself, right? So this is the best way to be earning income even if your channel isn't monetized, and this is a very simple and easy way for anyone out there to be generating income from the comfort of your home. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye for now. God bless you all.